You know what, right now, breaking news here, stocks all around the world are tanking because of the crisis on Wall Street. Pauline Chu is in for Jennifer this morning. I can't imagine how jittery the nerves must be on Wall Street for that open.
Well, I can tell you already that the Dow is expected to open down 300 points this morning, Robin. So that gives you an indication of how jittery the markets are. This is such a blow to investors, whether you're a big trader or whether you have a 401k. And we're waiting for the market to open in about 2.5 hours. So we'll see how this plays out. Around the world, both Asian and European shares are sharply lower. Asia's biggest stock exchanges in Japan and Hong Kong are closed, but every market open is in the red. India down 5.4%, Taiwan down 4.1%. Same story in Europe. German shares are off 3%, London down 2.7%, and U.S. stocks could open lower by 300 points, as I mentioned earlier. And this is all because we're waking up to two fewer investment banks on Wall Street. Lehman Brothers has filed for bankruptcy, and Bank of America is taking over Merrill Lynch in a $50 billion deal. So during all of this, the Fed is trying to calm investors. For the first time in nearly 100 years, it's loosening lending rules, making it easier for banks to borrow money from the Fed. The Fed also holds a meeting tomorrow, and they're expected to leave interest rates unchanged at 2%. But now economists think we could see a rate cut in the coming weeks because of everything that's happened. And a quick note on the huge bailouts for mortgage companies Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The government now says departing CEOs will not get the golden parachute in their contracts. They could have received in total up to $25 million. And Robin, when we did this story last week, there was immense outrage from our viewers on taxpayer dollars going to the company CEOs as they leave. So now it looks like this will not happen.
All right. Thank you so much, Pauline. Appreciate it. And we're going to be watching to the Dow futures to see how the markets are expected to react to this word that two of the biggest firms on Wall Street are no more. They're kaput this morning.